Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about how to create a report design. So based on the dates. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you will get more understanding in Power BI and DAX. Now let's go to the Power BI desktop. There we can understand the today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report, so I'm going to explain each and every step what I've done here. So before getting the details of the report, let me explain what are the tables I have imported from the Excel. So for example, if you click on fields, now you can see that so dim customer, dim geography, dim product, dim sales territory, date, category, subcategory, internet sales. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel, and also will try to understand what kind of relationship we have established between the dimension tables and fact tables. So understanding relationship, it's very important in Power BI. So and also so I have created another table like a days. So basically this table contains so number of days you want to see. So I'll try to show what data it contains. So just click on here. Now you can see we have just 5, 7, 10, 12. So I have created this table for slicer purpose. I'll try to explain later. Now we'll try to understand the relationship. So just click on model, collapse these two, scroll down a little bit. Now we can see that so already I have enabled the relationship between the dimension tables and fact table. For example, if you place the mouse over here, we can see that based on this date key columns, I have enabled the relationship between the dim date and internet sales. Even you can understand what kind of direction it is. It's like one direction to many direction. It means that based on the dim filter propagation, like a dim date to fact internet sales, it will flow. So like that I have enabled the relationship for other tables also. So we'll try to speak more on this on upcoming sessions. For timing, we'll try to understand today's report design only. So just click on report. So now we can see that so we have three visuals, different visuals, and here we have slicers. One is year as well as month and a day slicer. So what it is difference means, so for example, based on year selection and month selection, for example, if you want to see the number of days from the beginning of the month, for example in 2002 in July month, based on this selection, for just now for timing I have clicked on 12th. So it gives 12 dates from the 1st of July month in 2002. In case if I select on 2003, so it will give from July 1st onward in 2003 up to 12 days. If I select 10 means it will give 10 days. So based on the selection and a month as well as year, it gives the number of days within that specific month and as well as year. So this is the first visual. In second visual, it gives from the last day of the month up to 12 days. So what is the month? July. So what is the year? 2003. So from last of the July month, from 31st July to 12 days back. Here from the 1st July to up to 12 days. Here from last July to 12 days back. Okay. In third one, so with respect to all the years, what are the years? It will give the 12 days. So it means that we have 4 years, 2001, 2, 3, 4. So if we observe, we'll get up to 2004. Again, this is 2003. This is 2002. This is 2001. So likewise, so here we are not considering the year, okay, because here we are filtering the specific to the selected year, but here we are ignoring the year selection. So I'm just taking the month as well as the number of days selected. So it gives the 12 days for each year. Now you can see, and also we can notice that each year we have a different color. In 2004, this is the different color. Just a minute. In 2003, different color. In 2001, different colors. So like that, so I have designed the report. Maybe some customers will require, based on the month selection, I want to see the top from first day to 15 day sales, or some customers will ask from last month of the July to backward 15 days date sales, like that. So there are some cases. Now you can choose anything. 10, 7. It's a very flex dynamic nature. It will work even if you select any month also, so it will work, because in 2004 we have the sales up to July month only, so that is the reason I have selected September. So now you can see April, January, February, so April. So it will change dynamically based on this month selection and year selection. We can select anything, so very dynamically it will work. So I have designed the report like this. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section, so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So stay tuned for other videos. Thanks so much for watching. Thank you.